our first audience questions, and those are, the first one is, what are some things shaping the current cybersecurity field that we need to learn to get into the field? Companies are rolling out AI agents like AI SOC analysts, etc. What should we do to adapt?
Oh, sweet. Okay. So again, right, more or less in the junior side of this role right now. So I do worry about kind of what the AI takeover is going to look like, or what part of my job is going to be automated. So my advice and kind of what I've seen in the field is the more client facing, or say, I guess if you're kind of in an IT type of role, the more you interact with your colleagues, the more you interact with customers, the harder it is for you to be replaced. And in my professional opinion, I believe the best way into cyber right now, and up for debate, and I'm more than happy to hear the other side, but I believe it's going to be through education, right? We have KnowBe4 is leading edge on kind of what they deem as like it's the standard for phishing training, right? But I found most of my success comes from the onboarding calls where I get to interact one-on-one with who's being onboarded. Hey, this is kind of what our phishing program looks like. These are great examples of what not to do. Here's a Slack channel whenever you get worried. And as long as you are a face that is in front of someone solving a problem and your face is known to solve that problem, I think that's where I don't know how I can take over that. It's not personable, and it's not, um, I guess, easy to share examples with. So hope that answers that question.
I think we can take that question around.
Yeah. I would say like your basic cybersecurity knowledge. That's the first criteria. You should know the basics of what cybersecurity does and the basic concepts around that. Like you can do that from Security Plus or Network Plus. Along with that, when you talk about AI, you can there is a OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities, and nowadays you can also find OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities for AI as well. You can go through that to know more about security. That would be a good starting point for AI. Yeah, that's what I can say for your question.
Yeah, similar to her point, I'm going to say that basic knowledge of cybersecurity, what it does, and insider threats, good starting point. And I believe that second question, I believe that having agentic AI that acts as an assistant would be most beneficial. It's also important to know that AI, in my opinion, anyway, won't replace jobs. It'll just make people more efficient at solving certain problems.